Jai Shri Ram. Shlokas to learn today. Yena kena prakarena yasya kasyapi dehinah. Yena kena prakarena yasya kasyapi dehinah. Santosham janayed prajnah tat deveshwara pujanam. The meaning is, somehow or the other, with something or the other, ensure that you make people happy. And this is worship of God. Simple. येन केन प्रकारेण यस्य कस्यापि देहिनः संतोषं जनयेत् प्राज्ञ tat deveshwara pujanam. If we teach this to children, and at a young age if we instill this value, then every interaction will be so lovely. We will have a wonderful society. We will be able to establish our own mini Ramarajyam, if not at the national level. So, every time you meet anybody, what should you be thinking about? What should I say or do to make them happy? In fact, once Abdul Kalam was asked, how is it that he always seems cheerful and happy? He said, because every time I meet somebody, I'm always thinking of what I can give them or tell them to make them happy. It's a simple formula for happiness. Spread happiness and you will yourself be very happy. येन केन प्रकारेण यस्य कस्यापि देहिनः संतोषं जनयेत् प्राज्ञस् तद् देवेश्वर पूजनम. जय श्री राम.